We've bought a little selection of doors, worktops, things really to get people talking, and we like to sort of get involved and help people choose different styles, different colours, different textures.
So we've got 3 divisions of our company today. So we're dealing in garden rooms, our Cornwall cladding and our timber frames. We're talking to customers about projects in the future, micro lodges.
For us it's all about brand awareness, and our basis is all about relationships and finding the right solution to fit a customer. They get to see, hear and feel the products, see them in action, and we'll find a solution that will fit their requirements.
We make a range of bird feeders and bird houses, but then also a range of concrete bee hotels, which look beautiful just stood on their own in the garden, but they can also be used in building and built into walls.
We like meeting our customers, they get to know us, and they get lots of choice, so you haven't got to travel all over Cornwall. It brings everyone under one roof, so it's a good day out.
What you need to be looking at when you're thinking of boiler replacements, when you're doing a new build especially, is you've got to select the right technology for the property.
This is something that gets missed unless you've got a lot of sense and you've made sure that you've done all your research properly.
Harvesting water, recycling water, treating water on site, tapping into a borehole are all very, very accessible technologies.
I think it's great for the public due to the wide variety of businesses really. You can look at doors and windows, down to the timber frame, down to the furnishings of your home.
It's a great show if you're planning on building or interested in that. There's so much here all under one roof that you can come and have a look at in a way that you can't find elsewhere, and there's nice food as well.
Come along because you'll see a whole range of different products, and it's surprising actually in this one place just how much local business and Cornish companies that you'll actually come across.